Another trick for Photoshop is getting copies out of here to use somewhere else. So I want a PDF version to add to my portfolio. So I just want this adjustment that I've made. So I went ahead and I'm going to go ahead and turn off the other layers and just leave the layer that I want activated. And actually we'll leave the background so that we have white all the way. I'm going to go to File and save a copy. And I'm going to call this height transformation. And I don't want Photoshop version. So I'm going to go down. I actually want PDF for this. I don't need the layers. Part of this is I'm trying to save like storage space, how big the file ends up. I don't need to be able to edit it. So I'm going